So here I'm going to be looking at the wiring coming from the ECM into the EGR stepper motor. I've got the stepper motor and the EGR out. They're just laying up here on top of the throttle body right here. And this is the connector that comes from the ECM, goes into here. And this is the connector from the ECM, goes into there. And I'm just going to be measuring it to see if I see any discrepancies. Maybe looking for a broken wire or something like that. And so I've learned earlier that these 3 pins on one row, they're associated with one set of coils, or 2 coils on the EGR. And the bottom row here, that's another set of coils. And so I'm just going to probe in. I've got my the ground of the meter grounded to the car, and I'm just going to look in here and look for discrepancies. So here on the upper right pin here, I'm getting 204 k ohms, and the center pin getting about 515 ohms. The upper left pin, I'm getting about 201 k ohms. Now I'm going to drop down to the bottom, and down here I'm getting about 200 k. The middle pin getting about 520, and the last pin here on the left about 200 k. So all the readings correlate with each other. There's nothing that sticks out as being an open circuit to me. And so another test I'm going to be doing with the wiring here, I'm just going to probe each connector and watch the meter and just gently flex this wiring harness that goes to the firewall, just to make sure that I don't have a broken wire, which I've heard is something that can happen on these Nissans. And so if I did find a broken wire, I could run a new wire. Right into the ECM. I probably wouldn't try to open up the harness. So everything so far looks stable. So I didn't find any fluctuations in the readings when I flexed the cable. So I feel somewhat comfortable about that.